I got another one for you. You know I'm always trying to find the next hustle. Now listen to this one. Starting a blog where you share your honest product recommendations is another way to earn some extra income through affiliate links. By hosting your own site, you can easily connect with readers and earn commission whenever they make a purchase based on your suggestions. So stay tuned and watch how to turn your passion into a steady side hustle. Hello, my name is Cece and welcome to Inside Your Hustle, where we talk about potential ways to make you some side shmoney and save you some money as well. Are you ready?
Wow. Yeah.
Hit it. Today, I'm getting into something that mixes tech and earning potential. Check it out. I'm going to show you how to make money reviewing Temu products, and we'll turn a blog into a cash machine through affiliate marketing. I got you covered. Let's do this. Now let's talk money. Have you heard of the Temu affiliate program? It's a great way to create an additional income stream simply by recommending products you love. Temu pays its affiliates in multiple ways, including pay up to a 20% commission on orders placed within 30 days of your referral downloading the app. You will also get a bonus of $10 for each new app user acquiring the new app user status by using your referral link. Whether you're a tech geek or just enjoy cool gadgets, if someone buys through your link, you make a commission. It's that simple. All right, we're on the Temu homepage. Look at that. Awesome. Look at all the Halloween nails. Okay, so now I'm going to take you down. Affiliate marketing link is for commissions, okay? So now it's right there. Affiliate and influencer earn commission. Click on that. It'll take you to the affiliate influencer program. Right there. Look at that. I just earned $2. See? I'm all signed up and I gotta withdraw that. You can make up to 20% commission, $10. Look at this. Free gifts, all kinds of incentives. Really awesome programs and plans. You can invite other affiliates. And look, somebody just made $20. Now look at this. Over 9,000 followers. Somebody just cleared 9,900. Oh my goodness, 597 affiliates. Look at it. Somebody joined with TikTok with over 52. One person just signed up for me. This is all live, $130. Wow. Somebody has 7,000 followers join the program. So this is really, really awesome. To get started, all you have to do is sign up for the program. I'll be using it to monetize my product reviews, and you can do the same with any products you believe in. This could be your next side hustle. When it comes to maximizing affiliate commissions, it's crucial to pick products people are already buying. So I went over to Temu's bestseller section and found something interesting. Car dash cams. Temu offers a variety of dash cams and they've become incredibly popular. In fact, the global market size for car dash cams was valued at over $4 billion in 2023. Next up, let's talk about setting up your review website. We're using Hostinger for this because it's affordable and it provides all the tools you need to build a professional blog. Hostinger has several hosting plans, whether you're just getting started or looking for advanced options. Hostinger is great for anyone looking to start a blog without spending a ton of money. Their plans are super affordable and you still get key features like free SSL for security and unlimited bandwidth, plus a free domain with premium options. What's even better is how fast your site will load, which is not only keeps your readers happy, but also helps you rank higher on Google. And if you're not tech savvy, no worries. Hostinger's dashboard and AI website builder makes setting up your blog a breeze. And if you run into any issues, their 24 hours, 7 days a week customer support is always available to help, so you'll never left in the dark. That's my favorite part right there, the 24/7 customer support. Make sure you click on the link in the description down below so you can claim this amazing discount. Once you pick a plan, use my code YOURHUSTLE at checkout for a sweet discount. Getting your hosting squared away is the first step in launching your blog with Hostinger. Now for the fun part, let's build our blog using AI. It's crazy how simple this has become. You can have a fully functioning website in just minutes with tools like AI builders that practically do all the heavy lifting for you. Let's click on my link down below right now. I love it. I love it. I'm trying this out. Website builder. I'm trying this out today so I can blog and make some money. 3 months free with the $2.99 a month plan. Free domain, 24/7 customer support. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. I have built other websites, and this is a lot. You are getting a lot for your money. Wow. Okay. Okay, I'm looking at the different features. It offers a lot for the $3.99. Look at all the tools. Look at all the tools. That's what I need. The AI website builder, 150 templates, AI writer. They have the AI SEO tools. That stands for search engine optimization. Without that, no one's going to see your blog or your website. Trust me. They have the tools here with Hostinger. I'm definitely trying it out because you got the best website on the planet. If you don't optimize it, what good is it? Who's going to see it? Who's going to find it? Okay? So you must use those tools. Yes. I love it. For $3.99 over this? Oh my. Yes. That's affordable. That's less than a cup of coffee here where I live at. So, yeah, that's a bargain. That's a bargain. You hear me? Okay, so now, they have different plans you can choose from. They have the 48 months, $3.99 now. Okay. Wow, that's a savings for over $400. Okay, let's say you can't afford that right now. You're not doing the whole 48-month plan. They have other plans. Yes, they do. Okay. A free domain for the first year for $3.99 a month. Okay, we're going with that one. That's the one we're going with. That's the one. I love it. And I have a coupon code I want to share with you just for watching me today. You must put this in to save money. Your hustle. Can't get any easier. Apply that coupon. Don't forget to put the coupon code in. Save the money right now. Look at the difference. You see that? Coupon was applied. You saved yourself some money. Put your email address, your password that you can remember. Let's create this account now. Okay? I'm in the U.S. Look at this. Get on that immediately. Look at this. You could pay so many different ways. They even have PayPal. Okay. Visa, MasterCard. Okay. Get on that immediately. I love it. I love it. Now we're ready. We're setting up. I'm so excited. A new website for me to blog on. I'm going to make some money with this affiliate links. I'm doing this for myself. I'm going to create the website. You can also migrate websites and you can have somebody else build it. But I'm doing this myself because they say the AI tools are easy to use. So let's try it out. They also have WordPress with all these different templates available. I'm going to do that way another day. I'm going to make a video on the WordPress option. But today we're doing Hostinger's website builder. Let's go this route. Okay. Now, if you don't have a domain name ready, skip that. Go back to that later. Okay. We're going in. We are going in on this Hostinger. Oh my goodness. Now we're going to do a blog. Yes. And you know I got to have inside in it. Inside your review. Come on now. Come on. That's the name. I'm put the description in. Take out the old description that they give you. Boom. I got it. I got it in. And let me tell you, you see the 3 green lines? Say great description. great description. That means I gave enough information. I talked about Temu, my Temu products. I want to be optimized with SEO, search engine. I want at least products with under $100, 8 great products, and it's making me a website. Oh my goodness. Look at my official website. How professional is this? I love the techie vibe. I love the colors. It surprised me. You can also change the colors if you want it, but I wanted it to surprise me. I'm actually pleased. I'm loving this. Oh my goodness. And I can edit any part of this. I'm loving the vibe. Okay. Well, now we're going in and we're gonna take it up a notch now. Okay, so now we have a website. I love it. It looks official. It looks professional. And now I'm going in to actually give more details because I have to blog. I have to blog about the Temu products, the dash cams. So I'm going to use the SEO settings that it provides. Okay, these are AI SEO tools, and it provides me with all the tools I need. It gave me, oh wow, it generated all this information so I could be found a lot easier on Google. Look at this. Great description. Oh my goodness, I'm loving this. Keywords, that's the key right there. Best Temu products, Temu product reviews. I'm going to use key features of Temu products. I'm telling you, if you're going to find me, that's what they're going to put in. Temu, best Temu products, reviews. Those are the type of words people are punching in, and my blog is popping up first. Watch. I love it. I love it. Thank you. Thank you for the tools. Make my life easier. Do all the heavy lifting. Yes. So I could collect my coins with my affiliate links. Now we're going to add a post, a new post. And I want the voice to be formal. This is the vibe right now. 800 to 1,000 words at least, because it's 8 products. So I want a nice full description. I'm putting a description in under $100, 8 dash cams on Temu. You know, I'm prompting it. Now from there, they're going to create the whole blog for me. They're doing all the work. I'm just prompting it. Look at this. You can do it yourself, but why would you do it yourself? Thank you. Okay. Now we are blogging. Telling you, I'm giving you all the side hustles. I'm giving you all the tools and all the side hustles to make this money. Okay. Now it's generating a whole blog for me. I'm excited. I am so excited. Oh, look at this. Top 8 dash cams under $100 for 2024. Reliable protection on a budget. It's a 5-minute read. Can't go wrong. Can't go wrong with that. The importance of dash cams. First, you give that intro. The 8 best dash cams under $100 on Temu. Look at this. They number it. And I love how they bold the names of the dash cams. Look how it stands out. We can take this up a notch. We're about to take this up a notch. Now I'm going to highlight it, put the name, the first dash cam, onto the search bar. On Temu search bar, and it's going to search, and it's going to look for the actual dash cam that the AI found for me. Look at this. $84.97. That's it. Okay, and I can make $17, $16.99. So if they click on my link, $17 right there on the spot. Imagine 10 people do this a day. Wow. Okay, now I'm clicking on the link and I'm going to put it in on a button because I'm going to do a call to action. I'm going to make life easy for people. I'm going to add a button to my blog so you can find the dash cam even faster. Now, come on. I know people are like, I can't find where the link is. I can't find the... Look, I put it on the button for you. Thanks to Holsinger and their tools. I'm putting it on a button. All you got to do is press the button. Right there. The call to action is right in front of you. It's large. Let's preview it first. Make sure it works. I'm getting excited. Let's make sure it works. Click on it. Oh, there you go. Say no more. There you go. I got you. Look at that. Right there. Right there. Now you have no excuse. Now you can't say you can't find my link. Okay, I'm giving you links on my blog. And now I'm going to add an image. I'm taking it to the next level. We're just going to keep stepping it up. You go to image. That's a pre-programmed image. That's already in there. We're going to take that out. We're going to replace it with the image of the actual dash cam, the Pro 4K M550. Save the image, download it. Okay, you can't get any easier than this. Upload it to Hostinger. Come on. Size it correctly into proportion. Come on, reset the image. Placing it in. Look at this. This is so easy. Wow. If this isn't professional, look at this blog. I'm giving you the image. I'm giving you the call, the action button. Now, okay, we have to change the beautiful peach roses. That was cute, but we have to stay on topic. We have to show a dash cam. Let's look official. Come on. Look at this. You can reset the image. You can change it. Look at this. I could just resize it. Now we look like a whole tech blog here. Oh my goodness. I love it. Wow, I could preview it. Look how, oh my goodness. This is it. This is my first blog. I love it. You know, you can also preview it on mobile devices also. Look at that. I'm going to delete all the old blogs. Yes. We don't need them. We have this one inside your review. All right, we did it. As you can see, I've set up my blog to feature product reviews, specifically highlighting Temu's best-selling dash cams. It's clean, fast, and ready for content. Creating a blog is one thing, but promoting it, it's what makes you the money. Your blog won't generate affiliate income if people don't see it. So once you're live, it's time to spread the word. You can promote your blog on Instagram, TikTok, and even on X. But don't forget about Reddit and Facebook groups, especially those that focus on subject matters that relate to your affiliate products. These niche groups are gold mines for getting your content in front of the right audience. Like for the dash cams, I would find groups related to tech, cars, and safety. So there you have it. You now got the blueprint to start a side hustle by building a review website that features products like those affordable dash cams. Sign up for the Temu affiliate program, grab your hosting from Hostinger, and use an AI website builder to get your blog up and running in no time. And don't forget to use the power of social media to promote it. If you're ready to get started, check out the links in the description down below for everything we talked about today. Are you ready? Are you excited? And of course, let me know in the comments if you have any questions about affiliate marketing or setting up your website. I'm always here to help. I'm excited for you. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you can turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below if you're going to be trying hustling on Hostinger and Temu. Yes. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.